Casement Window Installation in Sumter, South Carolina is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. Our professional window installers provide expert window replacement services, ensuring your home benefits from the best casement windows Sumter has to offer. With a focus on window energy savings, our Sumter window installation experts deliver custom casement windows tailored to your needs. Energy-efficient windows in Sumter are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our Sumter window energy solutions include double-glazed windows and insulated casement windows, designed to enhance window durability and provide significant window noise reduction. Trust our local window experts to guide you through the process of selecting the right window style options for your home. Window replacement services in Sumter SC are available for those looking to upgrade their home's appearance and functionality. Our affordable window services include vinyl casement windows and aluminum casement windows, both known for their durability and low maintenance. Sumter Window Replacement is a smart investment for homeowners seeking long-term window durability solutions. Custom casement windows. Sumter offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's aesthetic. Our Sumter custom window solutions include a wide range of window style options, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. With our window design consultation, you can explore various window-style Sumter SC options to enhance your home's curb appeal. Window replacement. Sumter services are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our Sumter window frame replacement and window glass replacement services ensure your windows remain in top condition. Whether you need window hardware replacement or window sealing services, our local window services Sumter team is here to help. Vinyl casement windows in Sumter, South Carolina are a popular choice for their affordability and energy efficiency. Our affordable windows, Sumter SC options include a variety of vinyl windows that offer excellent window weatherproofing and window security features. Choose Vinyl Windows, Sumter, South Carolina, for a cost-effective solution to your window needs. Aluminum casement windows. Sumter SC provide a sleek, modern look while offering superior window durability. Our Sumter window maintenance services ensure your aluminum windows remain in excellent condition, providing long-lasting window ventilation solutions. Trust our Sumter window design services to help you select the best aluminum windows for your home. Double-glazed windows. Sumter are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking enhanced window energy savings. Our Sumter window weatherproofing services ensure your double-glazed windows provide maximum insulation and noise reduction. With our window noise reduction Sumter solutions, you can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home environment. Window maintenance in Sumter is essential for prolonging the life of your windows. Our Sumter window maintenance services include regular inspections and replacements to keep your windows functioning optimally. From window sealing Sumter to window frame replacement, our team is dedicated to providing comprehensive window care.